In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data and back up your data using Zoho Books. Whether you're new to Zoho Books or looking to ensure your records are securely backed up, this guide will help you navigate through the process with ease. First, let's begin by heading to the Zoho Books website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Zoho Books, or simply follow the link in the description below to access the website directly. Once you're on the home page, your next step is to click on Sign In to access your account. If you don't yet have an account, now would be a good time to create one, as you'll need to log in to proceed further. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho Books home dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage all your financial data. From here, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings. The Settings menu is where you'll find various customization options and tools that allow you to configure Zoho Books according to your needs. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to find and select Developer and Data. This section contains options for developers working with APIs, but more importantly for our purposes today, it includes data management tools. Now within the Developer and Data menu, there is an option specifically for data backup. Click on Data Backup to proceed. You'll now see the option to backup data. Clicking this will initiate the data backup process. Zoho Books provides this feature to ensure that all your financial information is safe and can be restored if necessary. It's a good practice to back up your data regularly to a secure location, and Zoho Books makes it easy to do so. The backup process might take a few minutes depending on the volume of your data. Once the backup completes, it's essential to store the file in a secure location, such as an encrypted external drive or a secure cloud storage service. Keeping regular backups not only provides peace of mind, but also ensures that your data remains accessible in the event of hardware failures or other unforeseen issues. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully backed up your data in Zoho Books, safeguarding your financial information. For any further assistance or for more advanced features, feel free to explore the comprehensive help resources that Zoho offers or reach out to their support. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit from learning how to back up their data on Zoho Books. Stay organized and secure, and I'll see you in the next video.